I'm studying Masters in Marketing in Durham University Business School. I am from Jaipur, which is a city in India. I feel like I wanted to do Masters in Marketing, so I started researching. I just looked up at the QS ranking at the universities which are globally renowned for their Masters in Marketing program, and I feel like Durham was one of the universities that I was instantly attracted to. I loved the modules it was offering. I loved the teaching style. I feel like it was something that would basically enrich my learning journey and benefit me in my career. I feel like there's very few universities in the UK and in the world who offers like a college system, and I personally feel like it's been a great experience. When I'm in the business school, it's a different vibe, much more productive and professional, and it's great. But when I go back to my college, which is St. Aidan's, I feel like the vibe is much more personal and much more comfortable. This program will really contribute a whole lot to my professional and personal career. We are learning a whole lot of things during a lecture, be it discussion, be it analytical thinking, critical thinking. So the theory that we are taught in the lecture is something that we get to apply during our assignments, during our presentation. We do a whole lot of presentation. I feel like these are the skills that I will need to apply in my professional career. I feel like Durham University is one of those rare university who has like a perfect combination of a rich heritage and innovation when it comes to teaching and learning. I feel like we are being taught how to be at the forefront, definitely in marketing. I recently was lucky enough to get an internship which falls under the Durham University Opportunity Scheme. So I feel like if you want hands-on experience, that's something that you can get at the university while managing your academic life. Durham University has a global reputation of being one of the best in the field of marketing. So that's something I have no doubt will look great on my CV and will benefit me in my career.